Are you trying to share your Instagram Reels, but the share list name just isn't showing up? In 2025, many users are facing this exact issue. In this quick tutorial, it'll show you through the exact steps to fix this problem fast. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment below if you're facing this issue right now. So let's start it. Go to Settings, tap on Apps, then search for Instagram. Now tap Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. This will remove any temporary glitches or corrupt files. Next, make sure Instagram has all the permissions it needs. Go to Permissions and check that microphone, camera, and phone access are all allowed. Now, open your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if you see it. Running an outdated app is one of the main reasons why the Share Friend List option is not showing. Now check your Instagram. If the Share Friend List option is not showing, follow the next step. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Next, go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Help. Then select Report a Problem. Now describe the issue and send it. Instagram will solve your issue quickly.